So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn where to find your favorite shops, or you can say the shops that you have followed. So first of all, you will have to open any web browser on your computer and then search for Etsy.com. So guys, after coming on their website, you guys will have to log into your account first of all, and after that you guys can see this option right here called favorites. Now you just have to click on this. And guys, after coming on this page, you guys can see there are two options. The first one is favorite items and the second one is favorite shops. So guys, on this page it will show you your favorite items and your favorite shops. The favorite shops are also those shops that you have followed. As you can see guys, I have followed this one particular shop, and the one you are seeing. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.